This is Cambridge Assessment International Education, Cambridge O level. This is variant 23 additional mathematics. Essay working must be shown. No marks will be given for the unsupported answers from your calculators. Non-exact numerical answers you must write in 3 significant figures. For angle it is 1 decimal place. Total marks is 80. Okay. Formulas are given. There's for quadratic equations, binomial theorem, arithmetic series, geometric series, trigonometry, trigonometric identities. This is the sine rule, then cosine rule, then area of a triangle. Let us f and g are defined as follows. Fx equals to 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. Gx equals to 3 to the power 3x minus 1. Its marks is 2. Okay. Now, first find out z0. Okay, e to the power 3 times 0 minus 1. So e to the power 0 minus 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0. So since we are going to find out f z0, that means f z0 I already got 0, so let me put it here. Then in fx, instead of x, let me put 0. 2 times sine 0 plus 3 times cos 0. Sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So 2 times 0 0 plus 3 times 1. If you add, result is 3. So this is the answer for this question. Now question B. We are going to find out gx. Okay, g and gx is 3 to the power 3x minus 1. Okay, now instead of x, let me write e to the power 3 times e to the power 3x minus 1, then minus 1, and let us simplify this. And if we simplify, it can be e to the power 3, e to the power 3x minus 3 minus 1. That can be the answers. Let y equals to 3 to the power 3x minus 1, y plus 1 equals to 3 to the power 3x, and e is shifted, so y plus 1 equals to 3x, x equals to 1 by 3 ln y plus 1. Therefore g inverse x equals to 1 by 3 ln x plus 1. Okay, that's fine. Now we can write according to question 1 by 3 ln x plus 1 equals to 1 by 3 ln 5. 1 by 3 will be cancelled from both sides and ln will be cancelled from both sides. So x equals to 5 minus 1, that is 4. So this is the final answer. Okay. Question 2. Find the values of k for which the curve y equals to x square plus kx plus 4k minus 15 is completely above the x-axis. This is the important clues, above the x-axis. Okay. If a curve lies above the x-axis, that means y must be greater than 0. Any graph, if it lies above the x-axis or below the x-axis, y greater than 0 for above the x-axis, and below the x-axis y less than 0. Okay, so we can write here x square plus bx plus 4k minus 15 greater than 0. That means it does not meet the x-axis. Okay, does not meet the x-axis. Since it does not meet the x-axis, there is no real roots. Okay, so for no real roots, b square minus 4ac less than 0. Okay. B is here k k squared minus 4 times a is 1, c is 4k minus 15 less than 0. So k squared minus 16k plus 60 less than 0. Now 60, this is positive 60, so we can write uh, minus 10 into minus 6. Minus 10 times minus 6, that is minus 60. So k minus 6, 10, and then k minus 6 less than 0. So that is there is two values, two critical values of k equals to 6 and k equals to 10. So we can write 6 less than k less than 10. We can think in that way, that is, if we draw a quadratic graph 6 and 10, and then if we draw this graph, since less than it is shade, you can shade this part and you can write 6 less than k less than 10. So fine, this is the answer for this question. Okay, it's 4 marks. Now question 3, solve the following simultaneous equations. Okay, so 3 log 2 based x and plus 2 log 2 based y equals to 24, 5 log 2 based x minus 3 log 2 based y equals to 2. Its total marks is 5. Let me multiply this equation, I mean simultaneous equation. This I can multiply by 3 and this we can multiply by 2. So we can write 9 log 2 based x plus 6 log 2 based y equals to 3 24s are 72. And same way 5 to the 10 log 2 based x minus 3 to the 6 log 2 based y equals to 4. Now if we add this, it will be removed. So 19 log 2 based x equals to, that will be 74 to 6. Okay, 76 divided by 19, it is becoming 419. 4 9s are 36, 3 4 1s are 4, 76. Okay, fine. X equals to 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4, it is x equals to 16. Okay, now substitute this x value in equation of any one, that is 1 or 2. Okay, so let me put this is in 1. 3 log 2 based 16 plus 2 log 2 based y equals to 24. Okay, now 3 log 2 based 16, that is we can write 2 to the power 4 plus 2 based log 24. Then 3 4s are 12 log 2 base 2 plus 2 log 2 base y equals to 24, and 2 base 2 is 1, so this is becoming 1, and 12 it goes in that side, equals to 12. 24 subtract 12, this is we can write okay. So divide both sides by 2, that means log 2 base 2 equals to 6, y equals to 2 to the power 6, that is 64. So x value is 16 and y value is 64. This is the answer for this question. Just check, you know that a to the power m divided by a raised to n equals to a to the power m minus n. Since same k is on that, so both the denominator and numerator, both the sides base is same, so we can write 2 to the power t plus 4 minus 1 minus 2t equals to 512. So now let us simplify. T plus 4 minus 1 plus 2t equals to 512. 2 and 2t and t, that is 3t. 4 minus 1 plus 3 equals to 512. We can write 512 as 2 to the power 9. Okay, if I multiply, I mean 2 to the power 9, 3t plus 3 equals to 2 to the power 9, 3t plus 3 equals to 9, base same, so power is equal 3t plus, and 3t equals to 9 minus 3, that is 6, t equals to divided by 3, so that is 2, so the value of t is 2. Find the exact value of this one. We know a sorry, integration of x to the power n dx equals to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, and must be must not be minus 1, okay, and cannot be minus 1, and integration of 1 by x dx equals to ln x, okay. So before, another thing is that if we integrate fx dx, if the limit is a to b, then after integration, if it is becoming large fx, then limit is a b, so we can write fb, I mean upper bound minus lower bound, okay. I think this formula will be helpful to solve this question. Okay, so before starting the integration, let us expand this expression. X squared minus 2x plus 1 divided by x cube dx, okay. Then x squared divided by x cube minus 2x by x cube minus, I mean plus 1 by x cube, okay. Now let me simplify more. 1 by x minus 2 by x to the power minus 2 plus x to the power minus 3. Let us integrate. 1 by x, if it is integrated, it is becoming ln x, okay, minus 2 times minus 2 x to the power, sorry, x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, okay. Then plus x to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1, and limit is 3 to 5, okay. Now let me before putting the value, let me I mean simplify this. This is plus 2x to the power minus, okay, let me write in more simplified form, 2 by x, and this is also minus 2 x to the power, I mean minus 3 plus 1, so x squared upper 1 is 1, limit is 3 to 5. Now substitute the value of I mean x value is 5 first, plus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2 times 5 square, and then minus ln 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 times 3 square. Let us simplify. ln 5 plus 2 by 5 minus 25, 1 by 50, then ln 3 minus 52 divided by 225. This sign will be plus, since before there is a minus sign. So this is the final answer for this question, okay. Let us come for question 5. A curved surface area of a cylinder with radius r and height is h, the 2 pi r h, okay, curved surface area, and closed cylinder has radius r and volume is 1000. We know the volume is pi r square h, so let us write pi r square h equals to 1000, okay. We can write h equals to 1000 divided by pi r square. Fine. Now we need to prove that the curved total surface area of the cylinder is this much, and the cylinder is closed, okay. The cylinder is closed cylinder. So we know that 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh equals to, I mean, we can write total surface area, okay, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h is substituted by 1000 by 2 pi r square, pi is cancelled, r, the denominators are 2000 divided by r plus, so this is proof, this is surface area, total surface area. Okay, find the value of r for which makes this area minimum. Okay, find the value of r which makes the area minimum. Let me write it as a equals to 2 pi r square plus 2000 r to the power minus 1. Okay, so for finding out maximum or minimum, we should find dA dr, that means 2 pi times 2r plus 2000 into minus 1 r to the power minus 2. Okay, that means 4 pi r plus 2000, I mean this is minus 2000 divided by r square. Okay, and then for maximum minimum, we can write these derivatives equals to 0. Okay, 4 pi r minus 2000 divided by r equals to 0. Let us simplify. 4 pi r square minus, sorry, r cube minus 2000 equals to 0. So r cube equals to 2000 divided by 4 pi, and we can simplify this. R equals to cube root of 2000 divided by 400 pi, and if we use calculator, d dt again, d squared a by dr square equals to 404 pi minus 2000 into minus 2 r to the power minus 3. Okay, that is 4 pi minus plus 4000, 2 times 2000 times 2, 4000 divided by r cube. And if I put the values of r, if r is substituted 5.42, so d square a by dr square greater than obviously 0. Hence s, this is for displacement, so s equals to ln 4t square minus 5 minus t. If s is differentiated, we will have velocity. If v is differentiated, we will have acceleration. And reverse process, if a is integrated, we will get velocity, and same as if velocity is integrated, we will have displacement. Okay, so we will find out velocity and acceleration. And another thing, ddx of ln x equals to 1 by x, and we must apply chain rule if it is necessary. So ds dt, that is velocity, equals to 1 by 4t square minus 5, and differentiate it again. So 8t minus 0, t is differentiated, result is 1. So it is becoming 8t divided by 4t square minus 5 minus 1. This is the velocity. Now to find the acceleration, we need to differentiate it again. We must do this is in division form, so we must follow quotient rule. Okay, so 4t squared minus 5 whole square, 4t square minus 5, a differentiation of 8t, that is 8 minus 8t, let me write as it is 8t, then 4t square is its derivatives is 8t, and 5 derivatives is 0. Now simplify. 4t square minus 5 whole square, then 32 t square minus 40, minus 64 t square minus 32 t square minus 40 divided by 4t square minus 5 whole square. Okay, 64 t square and 32 t square subtracted minus 32 t square. So this is the acceleration for this question. Okay, find the time when the particle is at rest. We know that at rest velocity is always 0. So we have got velocity equals to 8t by 4t square minus 5 minus 1. We got this thing here. Okay, now let me consider v equals to 0, since we are finding out the time when the particle is rest. 8t 4t square minus 5 minus 1 and 8t 4t square minus 5 equals to 1. Okay, let me do cross multiplication. 4t square minus 5 equals to 8t and 4t square again minus 8t minus 5 equals to 0. Fine, then let me do factorization. 4 5s are 20. Okay, this is minus 20, so minus 10 into 2. Okay, so we can 4t squared minus 10t plus 2t minus 5 equals to 0. If 2t is common, 2t minus 5 plus 1 is common, 2t minus 5 equals to 0, and t equals to, so minus half, and t equals to 5 by 2. But this is time never be negative. Okay, so this is not acceptable. So t equals to 5 by 2 or 2.5. Okay, fine, this is the final answer for this time. So this is the acceleration what I have copied from top. This is acceleration. Okay, and we have got time is 2.5. So let me put these values of time. 2.5 squared minus 40 divided by 4 into 2.5 square minus 5 whole square, then whole square. So this is minus 3 by 5. That's great. Minus 3 by 5. So this is the acceleration. Okay, this marks is 2. Fine. This is question 7. Do not use a calculators in this question. Okay, some values are given. Cos 30, sin 45, cos 60, cos 45, tan 60, and tan 45. We need to find out, given the area of the triangle is this much, we need to prove sin 75 equals to this one. Okay, we can write BC by sin 60 equals to root 2 divided by sin 45. This is sine rule. We have already seen in the formula sheet. Okay, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2, and sin 45 root 2 by 2. Okay, fine. Now let me do these calculations now. BC equals to root 2 by root 2, this is flipped. Okay, then into root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, root 3 divided by 4. So let me write half AB into BC equals to 3 sine 75. This is the area of this triangle, equals to 3 plus root 3 divided by 4. AB is root 2, BC is, we have got root 3 into sine 75 equals to 3 plus root 3 divided by 4. Okay, fine. So sine 75 degree equals to 3 plus root 3 divided by 4 into 2 divided by root 6. Nice. Okay. Let me rationalize this fraction. To rationalize this, we must multiply numerator by 6 and denominator also by 6. Finally, it is becoming 3 plus root 3 divided by 4 into 2 root 6 divided by 6. 3 to the 6 and 6 multiplied, you can write 3 root 6 plus, I am writing it here, 3 root 6 and 3 6 are root over 18 divided by 3 4 are 12. Now if we simplify, and 9 2 are 18, 3 common, root 6 plus root 2 divided by 12. So final answer is becoming 3 4 are 12. Root 6 plus root 2 divided by 4. Okay, this is the final answer. This is the proof. Sine 75 root 2 divided by sine 45. Okay, now this will be very helpful for us to solve. So AC equals to root 2 divided by 2 sine 75. Sine 75 is root 6 plus root 2 divided by 4. I mean, okay, then flip that, so it is becoming 2 into root 6 plus root 2 divided by 4, cancel, so AC is becoming root 6 plus root 2 divided by 2. So this is the length of AC and its marks is 2. Great. Question 8 is a trigonometric identities. Show that sin A by 10x minus 1 minus cos x divided by 10x plus 1. Okay, we know 10x equals to sin x by cos x. Okay, let me write sin x over cos x minus 1 minus cos x sin x over cos x plus 1. Let me do, multiply numerator by cos x whole fraction, and this is also cos x, and it is very efficient. You can do it so quickly. Sin x cos x and cos x multiplied sin x minus cos x, this is cos square x, we can write same thing, sin x plus cos x. This cos x is multiplied, cos x cancel, sin x remaining, cos x multiplied with 1. Okay, fine. Let me do again LCM. I mean, let me do LCM. Sin x minus cos x, sin x plus cos x. Okay, there it will be sin x cos x, and then sin x plus cos x minus cos square x, sin x minus cos x. Then cos x take as a common, in denominators it will be sin square x minus cos square x. So sin x multiplied sin square x plus sin x cos x minus cos x common taken, so cos x remaining, sin x cos x minus, I mean plus cos square x. So this is cancelled, and sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. So cos x by sin square x minus cos square x. Great, this is proved. Let's see. Yes, fine. Now we will solve this part. Okay, the first part it is as previous one. So let me copy this. Okay, equals to 1. Okay, let me do cross multiplication. Sin square x, this is x, minus equals to cos x. Sin x is changed, we can write for sin square x cos square x minus 1. 1 minus cos square x minus cos square x cos x. Okay, so 1 minus cos square x equals to cos x, and 0 equals to 2 cos square x plus, so 2 cos square x plus cos x minus 1 equals to 0. And we can do now factorization. 2 cos square x plus 2 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. So 2 cos x common, cos x plus 1, 1 common, cos x plus 1 to 0. So cos x, 2 cos x minus 1 equals to 0, and cos x plus 1 equals to 0. So cos x equals to half, another one is cos x equals to minus 1. So it is domain is 0 to minus 360. And if we draw graph of cos x, so minus 1, this is 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So x equals to 180 degree. We have got 1 point from there. Now cos x equals to half. Let us do ASTC diagram. ASTC. Cos x is positive, so it lies in first and fourth quadrant. First quadrant all positive, and fourth quadrant cos positive. Since this is half is positive, this is theta, this is 360 degree minus theta, and cos inverse half. Always we will ignore this sign because it is only position in the quadrant. Cos inverse half, that is 60 degree. So x equals to, one is 60 degree, another one is 360 minus 60 degree, so 300 degree. Now final answer is becoming x equals to 60 degree, 180 degree, and 300 degree. Okay, this is the final answer. Question 9. A curve has equation y equals to x e to the power 2x. Find dy dx. Okay, this is the u times b product rule. Let me differentiate in that way. Dy over dx equals to x ddx of e to the power 2x plus e to the power 2x ddx of x. Okay, so x 2 times e to the power 2x. You must apply chain rule. We know that ddx of e to the power ax equals to a to the power ax. Then x is differentiated, result is becoming 1. So 2x e to the power 2x plus e to the power 2x. Done. Find the equation of normal to the curve at x equals to 1. If x is 1, y equals to 1 into e to the power 2 times 1, so e squared. Okay, let me copy it. Let me put x value here to find out gradient. 2 times 1 e to the power 2 times 1 e to the power 2 times 1. So 3 e to the power 2. Fine, this is the gradient. And equation of normal, we know that y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by dy dx x minus x1. Fine, let me use these values. y minus e squared 1 by 1 minus 3 squared x minus 1. So this is the equation of normal, and if we wish we can simplify that. Fine, let me keep up to that. Okay, so its marks is 4 marks. That's great. Now use your answer to part A. Okay, find the exact values of this one. X to the power 2x. Let me check it again, double check. Yes, to the power 2x. Okay, now differentiate, integrate, sorry. Let us do integration. Do integration. On both sides. So this left side ddx and integration will be cancelled. Limit will be 0 to 2. Integration of 0 to 2, 2x to the power 2x dx, keep it same. E to the power 2x, e to the power ax, if we integrate it will be 1 by a e to the power ax plus c. Okay, so this will be 1 by 2 e to the power 2x, limit 0 to 2. Fine, let me 0 to 2, 2x e to the power 2x dx equals to 2 e to the power 2 times 2 minus 0, then minus half e to the power 2 times 2 minus e to the power 0. Okay, let me simplify. 2 e to the power 4 minus 0 minus half e to the power 4 plus 1. Okay, sorry, plus half. So this is becoming 2 minus half. 2 minus half, 4, 3 by 2 e to the power 4, then plus half. So this is the exact value. Let us come for question A 10a. Okay, this is the arithmetic progression. Fifth term is 11. Seventh term is 3 times the second term. Find the first terms and common difference, and its marks is 4. So fifth term, we know n term is a plus n minus 1d, and sum of n term n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, These all are for AP. GP is a bit different. I'll show it later on. Fifth term. So A plus 4D equals to 11. And it is given seventh term, T7 is 3 times second term. So 7 terms we can write A plus 6D. 3 A plus 2 minus 1 only D. And simplify this. A 6D equals to 3A plus 3D. Nice. 0 equals to 2A, 6D, if it goes right side, minus 3D. Okay. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Fine. Multiply 1 by 2. So 2A plus 8D equals to 22. 2A minus 3D equals to 0. Let us subtract. 11D equals to 22. So D equals to 2. Done. It's a good question. It's a very good question. And substitute this value in equation 1. Substitute D equals to 2 in equation 1. Okay. A plus 4 times 2 equals to 11. A plus 8 equals to 11. A equals to 8 subtract, that is 3. So first terms and common difference we have got. Question B, a different arithmetic progression AP and geometric progression have the following properties. First terms of AP and GP both 3. So first term of AP first term equals to 3, GP first term 3. Second terms of AP, second term of AP, that is second term is A plus D, and third term of GP A r to the power 3 minus n minus 1. Nth term is A r to the power n minus 1. So A r to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2. A I have got here 3 and D A is there 3 r square. Okay. So we can say D equals to 3 r square minus 3. Okay. Fine. Next part, sixth term of AP, sixth term, that is A plus 5D equals to fifth term of GP. Sixth term of AP is fifth term of GP. A r to the power 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. So A is here 3. R to the power 4. And D is substituted by 1. Let me simplify. 15 r square minus 15 equals to 3 r to the power 4. Okay. Now simplify this one. 3 r to the power 4 plus minus 15 r square minus 15 plus 3 minus 12, so plus 12. Okay, and simplify this. Divide by 3, r to the power 4 minus 5r square plus 4 equals to 0. So r to the power 4 minus 4r square plus 4 equals to 0. R square is common, r minus 4, 1 is common, r square minus 4 equals to 0. So r square equals to 1 and r square equals to 4. So r equals to plus minus 1, r equals to plus minus square root of 2. Okay. Common ratio of GP is greater than 1. So R will be 2. Okay. Now we are going to find out common difference of AP and common ratios of GP. So we have got common ratio of GP, that is 2. Now let me substituting R equals to 2 in 1. So D equals to 3 times 2 square minus 3, 12 minus 3, that is 9. So D is 9. Done. Okay. So that's all. Thank you very much and keep watching. And any question, any suggestion, write on comment section. And wish you all the best for your upcoming exam. Thank you very much and bye bye.